Are you ready to create breathtaking AI-generated images with precision and ease? DeepSeek and YouCam AI Pro make it possible. Whether you're an artist, marketer, or just love experimenting with AI-generated visuals, these tools provide top-tier results. In this video, I'll show you how to perfect your AI images using DeepSeek plus YouCam AI Pro. Try them out today and bring your creativity to life. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an advanced AI chatbot and language model developed by DeepSeek AI, a Chinese startup. It works similarly to ChatGPT, meaning you can use it to answer questions, generate content, and even write code. The latest version, DeepSeek R1, is designed to be more intelligent and efficient. One of its biggest strengths? It can run both online and locally. That means you don't always need an internet connection to use it. DeepSeek's models are open source and have been widely praised for their transparency and accessibility. The company has made its methods and models freely available to researchers, fostering innovation and collaboration in the AI field. This openness has allowed DeepSeek to quickly gain a reputation for producing high-quality results while remaining cost-effective. DeepSeek's image prompt versus random prompts. Why DeepSeek is better. Imagine asking a chef to make something tasty versus requesting a chocolate lava cake with a gooey center, raspberry drizzle, and vanilla ice cream on the side. The difference is night and day. Example 1. Random prompt, pretty girl face. Result, generic, lifeless output. Example 2. DeepSeek optimized prompt. A hyper-realistic cinematic portrait of a stunning girl with luminous amber eyes, dewy pearl-toned skin, and soft rose gold lips. She wears a flowing silk gown in iridescent twilight hues, her hair cascading in molten caramel waves adorned with delicate jasmine blossoms. Ethereal golden light bathes her in a misty enchanted forest, glowing fireflies and bioluminescent flora framing her. Ultra-detailed textures, radiant warmth, mesmerizing depth, wow effect. Result, a vibrant, cinematic masterpiece worthy of a blockbuster movie. DeepSeek thrives on specificity. The more details you provide, the better it mirrors your vision. Studies show structured prompts improve output quality by up to 60%. DeepSeek AI prompts. How to write image prompts using DeepSeek. Using DeepSeek to craft the perfect AI image prompt is simple and effective. Follow these steps. Step 1. Create a DeepSeek account. Visit the DeepSeek website, sign up, verify your email, and log in. Step 2. Start a new chat in DeepSeek. Step 3. Select the DeepThink R1 model. Choose DeepThink R1 for the best AI-generated prompts. Step 4. Input your ideas for generating image prompts. Enter detailed descriptions in DeepSeek's chat box. The more specific, the better. Tell DeepSeek exactly what you want. Step 5. Refine the prompt with DeepSeek. Use DeepSeek's suggestions to enhance clarity and detail in your prompt. Step 6. Save and use your DeepSeek AI prompts. Once you're satisfied, copy and save your prompt. You can now use it with YouCam AI Pro to generate images. Example prompt. A magical library floating in the clouds with glowing bookshelves, stained glass windows casting rainbow light, and a cozy reading nook by a fireplace. Art style, Studio Ghibli meets cyberpunk. How to generate AI images from DeepSeek prompts using YouCam AI Pro. Now let's turn those prompts into stunning artwork. Pair DeepSeek's precision with YouCam AI Pro, the best AI image generation app. Step 1. Download YouCam AI Pro. Step 2. Copy and paste your DeepSeek prompt. Paste your detailed prompt into YouCam AI Pro's text box. Pro tip. Add keywords like 4K resolution or surrealism for extra refinement. Step 3. Select an AI art style. Choose from various styles, such as realistic, cartoon, or abstract, depending on your vision. Step 4. Generate and save your image. Click Generate and watch as YouCam AI Pro brings your vision to life. Once you're happy with the result, save it to your device. Use your AI-generated images for social media, marketing materials, or just to showcase your creativity. DeepSeek prompt versus random prompt. The results speak for themselves. After generating your images, compare the results. You'll quickly see that DeepSeek optimized prompts produce more detailed and visually appealing results compared to random prompts. Example 1. Random prompt. A cute dog is dancing. Result. A generic, uninspired image. Example 2. DeepSeek prompt. A fluffy golden retriever puppy bounces on its tiny paws, ears flopping with every hop. Its tail wags in rhythm, spinning in clumsy circles on the carpet. With a goofy grin, it stands on its hind legs, wobbling before dropping back down, barking joyfully. The dance ends with a playful bow, tongue lolling, pure, adorable joy. A breathtaking and highly detailed image, perfect for wallpapers or social media. DeepSeek's precision plus YouCam AI Pro's text-to-image capabilities equals unstoppable creativity. DeepSeek AI prompt tips. Master AI image prompts like a pro. Here are some expert-level tips to enhance your DeepSeek AI prompts. 1. Command styles with precision. Example, turn Mystical Forest Guardian into an Art Nouveau book cover inspired by Alphonse Mucha's flowing linework. 2. Use mood-driven color stories. Example, suggest 5 Pantone pastel palettes for a mindfulness app logo. 3. Incorporate architectural and fashion influences. Example, redesign a cafe layout using Frank Gehry's deconstructivist metal curves. 4. Add sensory and cultural flair. Example, incorporate Navajo turquoiseic patterns into a sci-fi protagonist's helmet. Bonus, make your AI images move. Want to bring your AI-generated images to life? YouCam Video has an image-to-video feature. Simply upload your AI image, apply animation effects, and watch as your image moves dynamically. DeepSeek Image Generator. Can DeepSeek draw images? Yes, DeepSeek Image Generator, Janus Pro 7B, launched in January 2025 and has outperformed OpenAI's DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion in benchmarks. With DeepSeek, you can craft highly detailed image prompts, then use an AI image editor like YouCam AI Pro to generate professional quality visuals effortlessly. Final thoughts, why you should use DeepSeek and YouCam AI Pro. By combining DeepSeek's powerful AI prompts with YouCam AI Pro's advanced image generation, you can easily create high-quality, artistic, AI-generated images. Whether you're an artist, content creator, or just experimenting, these tools guarantee the best results. Ready to create stunning AI images? Download YouCam AI Pro today and start generating amazing visuals with DeepSeek-powered